my channel. So I have not posted a OnlyFans video in a while, and I know a lot of girls subscribe to me for that specific content. So it's time finally. So I specifically wanted to do like a Q&A because I haven't done a Q&A for like OnlyFans since my very first Q&A video. So I thought I would do like an updated one. Yeah, because I've had a lot of questions on my other videos. So I'm just going to address everything now. Don't mind my hair, I need to take it out. It looks a fucking mess, I know. Also my air conditioner is on, so I don't know if you can hear that, and my upstairs neighbor is playing his guitar, so I don't know if you can hear that as well. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Okay, I'm gonna try to project, but you know, all this shit's going on right now. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Danek, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Period. I have more great content like this, so get into it. So don't mind, like I just got done filming for OnlyFans, so I have some like lingerie shit on. It looks cute though. Little sneaky peeky, go subscribe to my OnlyFans. But I felt like I should film it right now while I'm in my little lingerie, so you know, it's the OnlyFans vibes, right? Okay. Let's get into the video. As always, on my OnlyFans videos, I always do a promo for the girls because I like to subscribe to other girls' OnlyFans to get like ideas on what to post on mine. So I always do a $3 promo when I do like these OnlyFans videos, so girls take advantage of that. Guys as well, if you want to subscribe, it's gonna be $3 for the next week, so get into that. Also girls, if you want to drop your OnlyFans link down below, do that as well. Drop those links, promote yourself in the comments. Also use my referral code if you have not made your OnlyFans yet. If you use my referral code and sign up through that code, I'll do free promo for you. Obviously I'm able to tell if you actually use my referral code, but yeah, let me know if you do and we'll talk about the free promo. So let's get into the questions. Okay, so I get this question a lot, where to post my link. And I did this question, well, I answered this question in my first OnlyFans Q&A I did, and some things have changed since then, like with Instagram and shit. So definitely post your link on Twitter. But as far as Instagram, they're getting really strict with like deleting accounts and stuff if you have your OnlyFans link in your bio. So on my Instagram, I just did a link tree, and my OnlyFans is listed on a link tree, which a lot of like OnlyFans girls have been doing that now. There's like few accounts that I know of that still have just their OnlyFans link in their bio. So just to be safe, I would say just put it, just make a link tree and then put your OnlyFans link on the link tree. I'll show you an example. Link tree's free. I don't know. Instagram was deleting accounts left and right because of OnlyFans. So I would rather be safe than sorry. It is okay to post your link on Twitter, like your direct OnlyFans link. I have my direct link to my OnlyFans on my Twitter. Twitter is amazing. It's like very sex worker friendly. Like you could post anything on Twitter. So yeah, take advantage of that. Post your direct link on Twitter. Yeah. Do I do promo? So I do promo. I get a lot of girls message me on Instagram. They'll subscribe to my OnlyFans and message me on Twitter. They'll email me and ask, do I do promo? And yes, I do, but I only do it for free accounts. And I do charge like a small fee. But right now I'm only doing it for free accounts because I would hate to take someone's money and they not gain some like fans from it. I mean, the ones that I have done some for people and they have gained fans like and their accounts weren't free, but I don't want to risk that because like I'm not in the business of taking people's money. So that's just what I'm doing for now. And I know I don't get back to everybody, but my messages are like flood? I have a lot of messages from you girls and it's hard to get back to everybody. Like I said, they come from all my social networks, so sometimes I do like not see them, or it's hard to respond to everybody. So I'm gonna hopefully by the time this video is up make an email specifically for promo, or like if you need help with something, have a question. I don't obviously charge if you have a question, but like for the promo I do, but you have to have a free account like I said. So I'm gonna make a email specifically for like if you have questions about OnlyFans, just so I can try to keep up with it, because it's hard like to navigate from like 5 different social media accounts, like questions that you girls have. So I'm gonna put the email on the screen, and probably I'm going to keep that in my description as well, so I don't get too confused. So try to use that if you have questions or you want to talk about promo. So the next question is, how was doing taxes? So I was supposed to make a whole video on like OnlyFans and taxes, but the whole process was just so confusing. I literally turned in my taxes like the last day, had to mail them. It was too confusing. Next year I'm definitely gonna get someone to do them for me. I did owe money because, yeah, you're gonna owe money if you do OnlyFans. At the end of the year, you're gonna owe money. This year wasn't that much, but I did start my OnlyFans kind of at the end of last year, so I'm thinking next year is gonna be way more. But some tips for that is just keep your receipts for everything so you can write stuff off. For your nails, keep your receipts for your nails. If you don't currently get receipts for your nails, ask your nail tech if they can write you a receipt. I just started on that with my nail tech. For your hair, get receipts, like even when you purchase like your wigs, if you wear wigs like me, keep your receipt for that. Just keep your receipt for everything, lingerie, all those kind of write-offs. So do that, because you're going to owe money at the end of the year, and the more write-offs you have, the less money you're going to owe. So try to keep that in mind when you're buying anything that's like you're using for your OnlyFans. And another thing is you have to fill out, it's called a Schedule C, and I had to do that. That was like the real complicated part, because I had no idea what that was, and I still kind of don't, so I'm not really going to get into it. But definitely keep in mind that you have to fill out your Schedule C when you do file your taxes next year if you're going to be starting on OnlyFans. I think it's as long as you make like $600 in a calendar year on OnlyFans, you have to file your taxes. So you're gonna have to fill out the Schedule C with your taxes, and yeah, like I said, just keep all your write-offs. It's complicated. I always get this question, how much do I make? I don't really, y'all know, I really don't want to answer that question, because I don't know, I just feel like it's nobody's business really. But I know like y'all are curious because y'all want to know how much potentially you can make from OnlyFans. So I know it's come out of like a good place, but like that's still my business, you know. I don't know, you know what I'm trying to say. Like I don't like people counting my pockets. I say this all the time, I really don't like people counting my pockets. I don't know, but I will say this, I quit my job back in February because of mental health reasons. It was draining me mentally. I would sit at work and cry because it was that draining to me. So I quit that job back in February, and I will say I've been going good since then. It's been March, April, May, June, like 4 or 5 months without a job, and I'm fine financially. You know, I'm still able to do what I want, buy what I want. So it's good money. It's really good money. I am gonna start looking for a job soon though, just because I don't know, I have my degree, and I feel like I went to school for 4 years, so I'm going to use my degree. So I'm definitely going to get back out there and still find a job, but it has been enough to support myself, which I've been grateful for. But yeah. How often to post? I answered this question my last OnlyFans video, my very first one. I was posting daily, but now I post 3 to 4 times a week, which is good. I would say standard should be 3 to 4 times a week, because people are paying their money. If you can post daily, that's great, because people are definitely going to feel like they're getting their money's worth, and they're going to want to keep subscribing to you month after month. So if you can't post daily, definitely do that, but at least 3 to 4 times a week. You don't want to just post one thing a week and think it's going to keep people's attention, because it's not. They're going to feel like it's not worth their money. So post more if you can, at least 3 times a week. So that's it for this Q&A. Let me know what specific videos like you want to see about OnlyFans. I know I did one on what I post on my OnlyFans, like exposing my OnlyFans, and I did another one too. I think I did one on how to gain followers, so go watch those. I have a playlist with my OnlyFans videos, so you can go watch those videos. But let me know what other specific videos y'all want to see, or if you want another Q&A, you can leave your questions down below and I'll do another Q&A. I hope this answers some of you guys' questions. I tried to answer them the best I can. I hope I helped out, but like I said, use that email if you have like more specific questions, or you need help with something, or you want to talk about promo. Yeah, I think that's it. My hair looks a mess. I'm gonna go take these out probably. I'm waiting for my wig though. I'm waiting for my wig to come in the mail. This ain't forever. I'm not trying to put back on no old wigs. Ain't okay. But yeah, that is it, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.